Hey guys, Lightning McQueen is coming together. So far, I removed the sticker that came with my son's bed, and I need to buy Goo Gone to remove the residue before I install the golden version of the lightning bolt. The eyes got here today. It looks sick. I updated the previous piston cup logo to one that more closely resembles the version that he has in the movie. Of course, the Lightning McQueen. What is this doing here? The Lightning McQueen on the A-pillar. The back. Now this is the part that I like the least, just because they were so big. So it left a lot of air bubbles and imperfections. It's good enough for now, but probably we'll have to redo. Of course, the 95 on the back. Lightning McQueen on this A-pillar as well. And another piston cup logo. And like I said, I need to peel this to add the golden version of the lightning bolt. But if I just peel this now, it's going to leave a lot of residue, so I'll just keep it for now. I did cut out a golden version of the lightning bolt. Here it is. So, this is what it will look like. Ka-chow. I dig it. Overall, I'm super happy with it. I've gotten one reaction. Yesterday, I got one reaction. This guy wanted to race me. And I didn't have that. Okay guys, so moving forward, I'm going to need suggestions, because obviously it's not going to be complete until we put a big lightning bolt on the side panel. And then the design from the third movie has the 95. The 95 is the negative space of the lightning. So I don't know. I definitely don't have the capabilities to do that. I'll put a reference image here. So I just need ideas. So far, I mean, the only thing I can think of is wrapping that door and part of the back panel, right? And then using a projector, projecting the image, and then I think it's simple enough where I can take an X-Acto knife and that way trace out the big lightning bolt. But I also don't want to damage the paint. So, and cutting out a stencil, or not a stencil, cutting out a decal that big I'm going to run into the issues that I ran into in the back of laying flat planes on curved surfaces and getting that stress marks and the folding over. So yeah, honestly I don't know how to go about that. I could also maybe tape off and then paint, but I also don't have the experience to paint, and I don't know if there's a paint that's going to match exactly with the stickers, with the gold decals that I've already cut out. So I'm open to suggestions. What do you guys think? Yeah, please let me know how to best tackle this problem.